So this is the Vaunt 9-piece half-inch router cutter selection trade pack. Right, so let's crack this open and we'll see what we get. So I'm just going to fish this out. You can see they're all contained in a nice little foam storage thing there. You get 2 sizes of straight cutter, a V-groove cutter. You get a chamfer, a biscuit cutter, a round over cutter. You even get a cove cutter. Moving down here, this is your guided trimmer and a Roman OG cutter. That is a fantastically varied set of router bits, ideal for your brand new half shaft router. You also receive, this is your router cutter safety guide, little leaflet, nice bit of essential reading for you. And this is your hex key. This is for adjusting your bearings on the cutters themselves. Now that is all contained nice, safe and secure within the Vaunt trade pack itself. So this trade pack, along with a huge range of others, are available exclusively at its.co.uk. So head over there now and take advantage of our multi-buy offer.